Well, it is JanFest here on KTIC. I'm Susan Littlefield. We are going to talk about Shur-Co and find out what an amazing time saver this is going to be for our producers out there. And Jessica, you can see she has joined us here to talk about Shur-Co. And Jessica, maybe we need to start there. Let's talk about the company and what it's all about.
So Shur-Co's headquarters are located in Yankton, South Dakota, but we are proud to have over 7 other locations in the United States. We are the largest tarp and containment system manufacturing company in North America. So we have systems for grain trailers, side dumps, dump bodies, anything from agriculture, construction, waste, and flatbed segments.
Now, you guys have done some expansion most recently, headed to Vermillion, South Dakota.
Yeah, last month we actually opened up a location in Vermillion, South Dakota, and they have install capabilities, service capabilities. You can walk in and get any parts or replacement needs that you have. So it's a great addition to our team that we're able to serve the community of Vermillion and some dealers in that area as well.
Tell me a little bit about the 4500. My understanding it's one of your most popular.
It is, yes. So if you're driving down the highway, you've likely seen one of our 4500 HD systems. It's an electric tarp opener that's most commonly used on grain trailers. And it's a time saver for farmers. You don't necessarily have to get out of your truck to use this system. It's operated by a remote or a button on the front of the trailer. And it's also a huge safety component too. I mean, without having, if you have older gentlemen or older farmers on your farm, they are not having to crank the tarp open manually. They can use the remote, and it kind of saves on your arms a little bit. And we have some electric components for the hopper bottoms as well for opening those bottoms, and those are operated by the same remote that is used for the tarps.
Well, I think in this time of year that we're in, when there's so much slush and rain and snow, the fact that they don't have to climb up on the back of those grain trailers to be able to move the tarp or pull down and try to manually do it, pushing a button just makes it so much easier.
It does, yeah. It's a huge time saver too. If you're in line at the co-op and you see people that have to get out and roll their tarp, and you can just open it with the push of a button. So there's many factors of safety that really play into it.
Let's talk about the quality of the fabric that you use, because it lasts a long time.
It does, yeah. We have various styles. Our most common is our Super Duty 18-ounce, but we also have a variety of 22-ounce. We have some specific tarps for DDG products and whatnot. And all of our fabrics are lab tested just so we ensure that you are getting the best quality possible.
And what is the process a producer, a farmer out there needs to do, or even that construction guy that says, hey, I need these tarps for my trailers as well? How do they get a hold of you guys at Shur-Co?
Definitely. So we have a full customer service department that you can get a hold of by calling 1-800-474-8756. And that's right here at our Yankton location. Otherwise, on our website, you can see the other locations that we have across the United States, as well as valued dealers that we have if you want to kind of shop local.
You did talk about the tarps, and you briefly mentioned the Pro Trap. Let's talk about how that will be a big time saver for farmers.
Exactly. So same thing, like when you're pulling into the co-op, instead of having to get out or have the co-op employees open your hoppers, which can be tough at times, especially the older the trailer is, the Pro Trap is an electric trap opener that'll allow you to, open it slightly or all the way, however you need. But it operates off the same remote as your trailer. So it's just much quicker, easier, and not as tough to open up for you.
And I think in this day and age where everybody's social distancing, there's another excuse right there.
Exactly.
Again, where do they need to go, Jessica, to find out more information?
You can visit us online at Shur-Co.com or give us a call at 1-800-474-8756.
Again, Jessica has been joining us with Shur-Co, one of the exhibitors here at JanFest. You can find out more details here or go to kticradio.com.